Good morning, everyone. Jeff from Rust Bucket Valley Garage. We have the 2019 Honda in a work area today, and we're going to be doing a couple of things on here. One of the easiest things that we can take and do straight off is this thing is having a problem where the driver is going along and the indicator that the trunk is open is appearing. So what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be replacing the trunk latch. Okay, so there's something loose in the mechanism. So we kind of looked at the alignment on the trunk and everything seems to be okay. So what we did first off is there's a carpet liner inside here, and we used our trim clip pliers to take out the couple of Christmas trees that are holding the liner in. Okay, and you can't really take and get down inside this little well without damaging this liner. So what you do, these things are very flexible. So what you can do is you can take your trim clip pliers and you can go underneath and then just pry it up, and then you can grab hold of it from the top. Makes it really easy to come out. So you go ahead and take the liner out. There are two 10mm bolts holding the latch mechanism in. So you go ahead and you take out those two 10mm bolts, and then you'll be faced with this. This right here is the emergency release cable that if someone gets stuck in the trunk, they can take and pull a handle that is attached to this cable right here. This has a little area here that there is a ferrule that is plastic that is molded onto the cable, and it just pushes out, and then you take and lift the cable up through this little maze right here, and this will move over to the side just a little bit, and you notice there's a little area here where you can take the cable out, and this is all spring loaded. And make sure and put your electrical cable back on. There are index points that are on here. There is no adjustment on this. If you take and put the index points back where they should be, everything will be fine. There's an index point here and an index point here. Okay, and they go right up in here. And then, all right, so we have the new trunk latch that has been installed in here. Everything lined up perfectly. Everything is back together. Make sure when you take and put these together, this area right here, you want to take and put a little bit of grease on there. Okay, so it latches on here real smoothly, and there's a little bit of dirt here. We'll go ahead and clean that out. But this is a really easy job. Unfortunately, these things right here are expensive. This one is $105 if you get it from the dealership. Go ahead and shop around on OEM Honda or Honda Direct, and you'll get a better price on it. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this little tech tip. Try it yourself. I can do it, you can do it. Okay, have a great day, and see you next time.